So we're here in the 2-bedroom, which we will be having a condo tour, which has a 95 square meter of floor area. And then, as you've noticed, no, sa door pa lang niya, it comes with a smart lock already. Ayan.
So, pagpasok mo, meron ng foyer. So, and then on your left side naman, sir, is the first toilet and bath.
So,
And then,
comment inside kung ano yung meron dito sa toilet and bathroom niya. Kasi dito, meron na din siyang washer. As we move dito sa left portion or side niya is the kitchen and dining area, diba?
So, bali kasama na itong 4-seater na dining set. And ang maganda kasi with the layout ng kitchen, since L-type siya, ang laki ng prep area mo.
And also, you have the access to your balcony.
Balcony as well. So, since, if you've noticed, the window is floor to ceiling, yung natural light, like, when you cook, diba, parang maliwanag talaga.
Yes. So, as we move forward dito sa living area niya, if you've noticed din, meron siyang division to have a privacy din, diba?
So, kasama na yung sofa, yung TV. Of course, there's an air-conditioned unit dito. So, ang maganda kasi with this unit, since fully furnished na siya, and also as is, where is na. So, kumbaga, ready na siya talaga for move-in, no, sir?
Yes. And also, properly interior yung design niya talaga, diba? So, as we've entered here, so this is the bedroom number 1, and it comes with a queen-size bed. And what I love to this bedroom, meron din siyang access to your balcony. And yun nga, if you want to have a natural light, pwede rin. So, you have a bigger window as well here.
Dito naman tayo, sir, sa master's bed.
Yan. So, queen size din to, no, Ma'am Kat?
Yeah,
So, meron ka pang, ano dyan, chair.
Yeah.
Diba?
Parang meron pang accent
sofa
chair dito.
Parang ganun, no?
And then yung TV. And then, ang maganda sa master's bedroom, yung attached toilet and bath, meron siyang bathtub. And then, meron din siyang
access to another balcony.
The balcony. So, ang laki ng open space talaga ng unit na to. Tapos, facing the man-made beach din siya. Uy, ang ganda ng balcony, sir!
Of course, nandito tayo sa Azure North. And you have really the view of the amenity, no? The man-made beach and the wave pool as well. And yun nga, maganda dito talaga pag hapon kasi you have the view of the sunset.
Correct.
And very spacious naman din yung balcony area niya.
Oo.
No?
And usable naman din talaga yung balcony space. Like for this one, it's an outdoor living space. In the morning, pwede kang mag-coffee dyan.
Yes.
And since wrap around siya, dito din sa area na to, meron na din sofa. Dito naman, kita mo yung Monaco na garden sa 4th floor and yung amenity view din.
Ang ganda talaga dito.
Correct. Lalo na pag sunset, sir, maganda rin siya. Kasi
tsaka,
dito yung sunset.
Tsaka presko din, di ba? You feel the breeze. Ang masasabi mo sa condo tour natin today, Ma'am Kat?
Ang ganda ng unit. Tsaka properly interior design siya. Then since spacious siya, perfect siya for family, group of friends. So, regardless if yung bibili dito, sir, is for personal use or if rental, malaki yung market niya kasi pwedeng yung market mo is magbabarkada or friends, office mates. Kasi this unit, hanggang 8 to 10 packs, I guess, pwede niyang i-accommodate. So, if paparent mo siya, sir, ang rental rate kasi ng 2-bedroom dito sa Azure currently is at 7,500 to 8,000 per night. So, like, we're the ones managing also this unit. So, this unit, ang average na net
gross rental muna tayo.
Actually,
gross rental muna, about 120,000 kasi you have a lot of platforms kasi we have like Airbnb sa Facebook page, tapos even sa mga personal natin na Agoda. So, ang daming mga platforms to market yung unit sa Azure talaga. That's why you could really generate passive income here. Diba?
So, if you wanna learn more about the price of this
Yes.
unit, sir,
Curious ba kayo kung magkano ba and kung magkano yung ROI nila? So, get in touch with us and feel free to message us. And we're more than to discuss the terms, the price to you, and we're more than happy to help you all throughout your real estate journey transaction. Thinking about parking, we've got you covered because here in Azure North, we have first, second, third level parking area.
Yeah. So, Azure North has podium parking. That's why units will start pa lang, sir, on the fourth floor.
Yes.
So, as you mentioned, parking also is a good investment if you want to add a parking slot to your unit. So, you can have it rented out. And also, sir, it appreciates in value as well.
Exactly.
So,
Yes, absolutely correct. Ayun. And lesser maintenance lang din siya if you want to rent it out because less supervision and then you create passive income out of it.